Hello all, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to create my first pipeline. For that, what I'll do is I'll first upload all the raw data, source files into one workspace and then initiate a pipeline to copy the data from that workspace to a new workspace. So I'm here on my Fabric portal, going to workspaces. I have two workspaces, source workspace, which has source Lakehouse, and DP-700 prep workspace, which has two lakehouses. One is bronze lakehouse and one is raw lakehouse. So in the source lakehouse, I'm going to upload the files. So this is my source data, and then my destination is raw lakehouse. So I'm going to my source workspace, going to the source lakehouse, get data. Let's create a folder, new subfolder. We call it source CSV. Okay, inside source CSV, I want to upload files. Selected all the files, upload. The files are uploaded. Let's go to the DP-700 workspace. So this is our target workspace. So we will create a pipeline in this workspace. Click on new item, search for pipeline, data pipeline. Let's keep it as it is, pipeline 1. Go to pipeline activity, click on copy data, and you land on this page. So this is the canvas for your pipelines. There's a home tab, activities, run, view. Home tab, we have save as, export, import, use a template, settings, undo, validate the pipeline, run the pipeline, schedule the pipeline, triggers, add triggers, view run history of the pipeline, and some activities. So these activities are already here. Here you have many more activities. If you click on these three dots, you'll have all the activities is segregated by the type: move and transform, metadata and validation, control flow, orchestrate, and so on. So the moment you click on the copy data activity, you got some fields to be filled. So the name of this pipeline is copy data, and activity state is either activate or deactivate. Timeout is here, maximum amount of time an activity can run. Retry policy: if the pipeline fails, then do you want to retry? That is the option here. And then advanced settings, and coming to the source, we have to give the source for this copy data. So what is our source? Let's click on more. You have all these new sources, one lake catalog. Ours is one lake catalog because we are inside this one lake storage, and in the one lake storage we have all these lake houses. So my source is the source lake house. I'm clicking on that. What is the root folder? Is it tables or files? My root folder is files, and you have to give the file path here. So click on browse. You could see the file structure here. I have the source CSV folder, and if I click a single item, the file path for that single item will be selected. But if I don't click anywhere, then all the files will be selected. So came back to the root folder, go to the source CSV, and then click OK. So all the files are selected. There is no single file name. Do you want to do it recursively? Yes. What is the file format? My file format is binary, delimited text, Excel, JSON, ORC, Parquet, XML. Mine is delimited text. You have more settings. Is it a comma delimiter? Yes, it is comma. You have some other settings here. Click OK. You have some advanced settings. Filter by last modified, enable partitions discovery, maximum concurrent connections. These are not needed for now. And what is the destination for this? Destination, click again on more. It's again one lake catalog. This time my destination is raw lake house. And do you want it in tables or files? I want it in files. Click on browse, and here I want it. I can give the name of the folder, raw data CSV. File format is delimited text. That's fine. And then click on mapping. You can import schema and then do mapping if it is a single file, but we are copying the entire folder, so there is nothing here. And here, fault intolerance. If while copying, if any rows are incompatible, then I want to skip the incompatible rows. So while skipping, there is a chance that I'm skipping the useful data. So I can enable logging and give a storage for the logging, but for now I don't want logging, so I'm skipping it. So everything is done. Let's run the pipeline. Now before running the pipeline, it's always better to validate the pipeline. So I'm clicking on validate pipeline. Your pipeline has been validated. No errors are found. close. Now run the pipeline. Save and run. Click on output. Now you could see it's getting refreshed. Activity status is queued. Activity name copy data, duration, input and output. Okay, so the activity status is succeeded. If you look at the output, data read, data written, files read, you have the data. So let's check whether the data is copied or not. Let's go to our raw lakehouse, click on refresh. Now you could see raw data CSV files are copied from source lakehouse to raw lakehouse. Okay, so that's how we use copy data activity inside a pipeline to copy the data from one source to another source. In the next video, we'll try to carry out more activities on this pipeline. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.